Everybody wants to know, is Dillian Whyte anywhere on your radar in 2020?
I mean, Dillian Whyte could have been got this ass whipping received to him, you know what I mean, a long time ago. But unfortunately, he have some medical problems that he has to get cleared.
Right,
so right now,
because he's got to do the.
So right now, you know what I mean, Dillian Whyte is not on the radar. First of all, they need to find out where that fucking beat sample at. I'm out.
All right, thanks, Deontay. Hey, Joe Justice, I am Sports. We're out.
All these boxers like the Joshuas, the Whites, the Chisoras, the Povetkins, all them people are around about on the same similar level. I see them as like 4, 5s and 6s all mixing together, and at any given time they can take each other out, as you've seen with Chisora and White and Takam and Baby Mill. All these guys round about the same kind of thing, and on any given night they can all have victories over each other, and that's heavyweight boxing. But as for Dillian Whyte getting knocked out, it was what it was. Regroup back to the drawing board, and it just shows you what level they're at. You know, Povetkin's 40 years old, fit and an inspiration for men at that age. It was a good fight, you know, I enjoyed it.